Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a beautiful crochet coaster, perfect for your cups, mugs, or even as a decorative table accent. This fun, simple project is great for all skill levels. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more crochet content. Let's get started. Let's start with the flower base. Round 1, make a magic ring and crochet. 15 double crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight and join with a slip stitch. Tip: keep your stitches loose for easier work in the next round. Round 2. Now we'll work an increase into every stitch. Make 2 double crochets in each stitch around. That's 15 double crochet increases. You're doing great. Round 3. For this round, start with a half double crochet, then make 3 double crochet increases, followed by another half double crochet. Repeat around. Great job, your flower is blooming. Round 4. Now we'll shape the petals. Work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 4 double crochet increases, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Repeat around. Look at those lovely petals. Let's crochet the leaf. Step 1, chain 6. Step 2, work into the second chain from the hook. Make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet. Step 3, in the next stitch, crochet 3 single crochets into the same stitch to form the leaf's tip. Step 4, mirror your stitches on the other side. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet. Slip stitch to finish. Tip, shape the leaf with your fingers for a natural look. Attach the leaf to the flower using your yarn needle. Weave in all the loose ends and trim the excess yarn. And there you have it, a beautiful handmade coaster that adds a touch of spring to your home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!